Thank you for staying with us from 6 a.m. till now. There's still a lot more coming your way. It's time now for me to tell you about the National Banking College's 30th anniversary celebrations. In the studio with me to shed light on all those wonderful activities is Nana Kofi Bobie Safo. He's the head of ICT at NBC, and Dr. Francis Mensah Sasaku, the head of risk and regulations at NBC. NBC is National Banking College. Gentlemen, welcome to the studio. Thank you for joining us on the show.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
You feeling okay?
Yes.
Okay. I mean, you're celebrating 30 years of, existence. How does it feel? Dr. Sasaku.
Very interesting.
Okay.
And good experience as far as good efforts are concerned.
So what inspired the establishment of the National Banking College, Nana Bobie?
Okay, so the Banking College was set up in 1994 following the request for specialized banking training for the professionals within the industry. So the college was set up to be able to provide these trainings that would improve the capacity of the bankers, and it stands as the first specialized institution that was set up in the country. And over the years had trained so many bankers. Hardly would you find any banking professional worth its salt who had not passed through some training in the banking college. And we have also improved our offerings just to be able to impact the industry as best as we can.
And I'm sure you've evolved, over the past 30 years. So, Dr. Sasaku, can you shed light on some of the milestones that you've achieved in these 3 decades of existence?
Yes, we've actually been able to achieve 4 main impactful changes through our cycle over the 30 years. When we began our operations as a specialized training institution, the first 15 years had focused on training senior management teams in the banks. And after the 15 years, the major milestone was a heavy investment by Bank of Ghana and the banks that actually support us in improving the fiscal infrastructure, giving room for us to be able to establish very unique facilities to support our facilitation, such as financial training, labs and others that we've been able to put in place as the first one. The second area had also been our ability to re-engineer and present training program which cuts across the entire governance structure of banks. And currently, we are supporting Bank of Ghana in this effort to ensure that there's appropriate corporate governance training across board in banks. So we are not only training senior managers, we train both the board members, we do board evaluation to strengthen the governance of our banks, in addition to training the people at the shop floor to cut across, and also the allied firms that fall within the industry. The third area is on collaboration and, to a large degree, adaptation. You see that the Banking College provides very unique training in areas based on dynamics in the industry. For example, when the oil and gas area was developed, we pioneered the introduction of energy risk professionals who are now manning key oil and gas institutions in the country. We didn't stop there. We've also moved into areas where risk management became a core area across the financial services sector. So that is why I'm particularly in the area of risk and regulations.
Okay.
Then finally, because of digitalization and sustainability, we are pushing the agenda to be the first-class institution to train specialist sustainability directors for our banking industry and across board. Finally, we didn't end our scope within local sphere. The fourth milestone has been to move into the regional area of our activity. And for that matter, we've invested heavily in our training systems. We've gone to Sierra Leone, Liberia, as part of our work because of our investment in research, education, training, and that of other related services that we offer.
Wow. So you have been at the background making things happen in major sectors of the country's economy. So what do you hope to achieve with this 30-year anniversary celebration, and what's the theme? Nana Bobie.
Yes, so we have selected for this celebration, which is quite important to us, the 3 decades of resilience, navigating the future.
Is that a theme?
Yes.
3 decades of resilience. Okay.
Navigating the future of banking education together.
Okay.
So we are looking at 3 areas. For us, The first part of it is that it is a time for reflection and gratitude. It offers us an opportunity to look at the journey we have taken so far, where we have come from, and then also appreciate the contribution of people who have made it happen. And we have a lot of stakeholders in this business. So we want to appreciate their efforts, like the regulators, considering Bank of Ghana and other allied institutions. Also, the faculty that we have worked with over the period, the people who have, and we use faculty from industry, those who have done it before and they have the experience. So we want to use this opportunity to appreciate them. And then the staff that we work with, want to also appreciate the effort that everybody have put in to bring us to this point. So, and then also want to use this opportunity also to highlight some of our achievements and the challenges we have had to overcome to get here, and to look at the future and where we want to go with all of these. So those are the main indicators. Dr.
Sasaku, how are you celebrating? Do you have any fun activities? Do you have any, what's the lineup for this celebration?
I think following from our lunch that we'll be doing.
When?
That will be Friday.
Okay.
We'll be having other, activities in terms of programs, seminars.
Okay.
We'll do a walk, health walk, which is very key. Because of our strength in sustainability, we're going to put more emphasis on that. Then we're also going to have other further interface with our stakeholders who have actually supported us across board to make sure that we create a sustainable win-win situation to ensure continuity.
All right.
There will also be tree planting that would have to affect the community that we operate in as well.
How do interested persons get in touch with you? If they want to join the celebration or just collaborate with you on any other ventures, how do they get in touch?
So you can get in touch with the Banking College through our website. If you visit our website, www.nbc.edu.gh, you can get in touch with us from there. You can also visit us at Airport Residential Area, 3rd Odokwai Street. That's where you will find us. And we are interested also in building partnership that would improve the work. So anybody who finds it necessary to impact and be relevant to the banking industry can get in touch, and we can work together to improve our lot as bankers, and then also improve the economy as a whole.
Thank you so much, gentlemen, from the National Banking College and your 30th anniversary celebration. I wish you all the best. Nana Kofi Bobiesafo is the head of ICT at NBC, and Dr. Francis Mensah Sasaku is head of Risk and Regulations at the NBC. Congratulations in advance. All right, thanks for staying with us, but we still got a lot more coming your way. Stick and stay. I'll be right back.